Hi, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm here at our latest project that we've just finished, and oh my gosh, I cannot believe the transformation. So the first thing we had to do was get rid of that blonde brick. And what we wanted to do was bring that coastal feel, so we used Stria by James Hardie to create that coastal cladded look. On the peaks of the house, we used James Hardie Flex to cover the bricks, and then to create that quintessential Hamptons moment, we used white battens to create that contrast. We already had gorgeous French windows on this house, but they had no framework around it. We used James Hardie accent trim and painted it white to make the windows look complete. That's what we did outside, but let me show you what we did inside. In the front entry of the home, we wanted it to say Hamptons the moment you set foot through the door. And outside we used horizontal cladding. Inside here we've used Hardie Groove by James Hardie and put it all around the walls, including in this really cool little seating nook. We even put the Hardie Groove around this original archway, which just comes up beautifully. For more Hamptons inspiration, head to the James Hardie website.